I decided Monash was the uni for me because I knew it was in the group of 8 and it was very highly ranked within the world unis as well. When I went into open day, I was like, okay, this is it. I feel like the teaching staff here at Monash are very engaging. They have a lot of expertise within the field. I was able to really understand what they're trying to teach me and able to ask any questions that I feel like I need answered as well from them. Monash did help me get my internship. I've been really grateful for the opportunity to have this pathway, and they really have helped me out, providing me with different resources and different applications to ensure that I would be a great candidate. So I'm currently interning at the Suzanne Group, where I'm working within the marketing department, and I'm assisting them with their campaigns, their shoots, and other areas in the marketing field as well. The key skills that I've learnt during my time here at Monash would be definitely networking, putting me into different rooms where I'm able to meet different people within the fields that I'm interested in, the confidence to really just talk to different people. In terms of international experiences within Monash, I did GIG, which is the Global Immersion Guarantee, where I was able to go to China and study with a partner university. It was a really engaging time where I got to learn so much from different people. Within the Monash Marketing Society, I'm one of the social officers where I create content for social media. I was able to then go into the workforce with the experiences I've gained there, as well as assisting Monash with their social media, enabled me to gain even more skills than I would have in maybe a different place. That has enabled me to get to the place I am today.